Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Mazda CX-5 key battery. First, you'll need a few simple tools. Grab a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2025 battery. It's important to have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. This entire process is quite straightforward and should only take you a few minutes to complete, getting your key fob back in working order quickly. Now, let's open up the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side of the fob where the emergency key slides out. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to use too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR2025 battery. Now, take your new CR2025 battery and insert it into the slot, making sure the positive side, which often has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, take a moment to test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure everything is working perfectly with your new battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.